Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your headphones Sony LinkBuds with using your iOS device. Basically you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to create a widget, so just press and hold in empty space, then click plus or edit at the left top. Now scroll down and click batteries. Now choose the best one widget for you. Let's say that's okay for me. Click add widget. And now we can check a battery level. And the second one, and the better one, is to use an application. So just open it, and right here we can check a left one, right one, earbuds battery level, and we can click show here, OK, and check a battery level of charging case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!